Hey guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the school, Herbert H. Carnegie. Now, my mic kind of stinks right now, but let's not worry about that. And we're going to finally take a look at Herbert H. Carnegie. So let's get to it. This is a terrible school, and I deeply regret going there. Herbert H. Carnegie is one of the worst things I've ever talked about on this channel. And I've talked about Roblox hackers and and 13-year-olds. So what is it about this school that doesn't hold up? Well, it's easy. Oh, what is it about this school that doesn't hold up? Simple, really. It's boring as all hell, and does that whole we are a great school, and we don't respect bullying, which I absolutely hate in mediocre educational schools. Now, I know what you're gonna say. You are nitpicking and biased. I win, bye-bye. But get this. Herbert H. Carnegie being super dumb school is an objective fact. This school is full of not good people. Starts getting ready at 8:15 and ending school at 2:30. Why don't we just end school at 3 and then wake up at 8:40? The fact that this school thinks that is appropriate time is horrible. Unfortunately, the school was not on the 8:40 side. Overall, the school was pretty bad. I don't know why I wanted to talk about it, because it was pretty certain that I knew it was pretty bad since I went to this school before. Apparently, now there's not any good educational system, and every kid in this school is dumber than me. I'm giving this school a 1 out of 10. It's more closer to a 2 of 10, if that makes you feel better. But, yeah, it's a 1 out of 10. And it sucks, okay? It's horrible. It's a stupid school!